Lush, and I'm here in Glasgow at COP26. Really pleased to be joined by Roksana, who I usually see in Davos, or in fact Riyadh. But now we are wearing cool superhero capes, and we're standing outside her amazing sculpture. So Roksana, what is going on here?
Delighted to be here and talking to you, Edie, again. So I'm here to launch my latest art installation, an impact art movement, as I believe through art we can achieve many things. We can give hope, we can shift mindsets. So what you see behind us is the first of the series of sculptures called Kintsugi Aurea. And I've done it as a collaboration with a good friend of mine and visual artist, Kaz Galos. And it represents the world without borders. The world that is a bit broken, fractured, and the cracks represent actually the hope through the Japanese philosophy of Kintsugi that I became obsessed about since I traveled to Japan. And when you break an object, rather than throwing it away, you can piece it together with gold. So actually the object becomes more beautiful for having been broken. And this philosophy was really life-changing to me, and that is the artistic vision of trying to repair the broken world.
I love it. And tell me about the materials that it's made from. Besides the gold, what are the materials of the globe?
So this particular one is recycled stainless steel. There's also another one which is actually made of fiberglass, and it's hosted at the Accenture space. So there are two pieces, two sculptures here.
Okay, so you said they inspire hope. What else do they do? You want to make sure people are donating through them. How's that going to work?
So I've been a banker for over 20 years, and I've been an artist as well, but always kept these two worlds separate. And I think I had an aha moment a few years back when I decided to fuse and amalgamate all these worlds together. Because I believe you do something you're so passionate about, it's the most important. You can be true and authentic. So I'm fusing all these words together, and through art I will be mobilizing capital. So right now developing an app, so you'll be able to point your iPhone and donate money, big or small, towards sustainable development goals.
And there's something about cryptocurrency or NFTs that you're working on as well. So tell me about that.
Absolutely. So next stop, as we already agreed, it will be Davos Economic Forum.
Yep.
And working to develop an NFT that we'll work together on. And mobilization of capital will happen also through that.
Okay. All right. So we have the art. I'm inspired when I look at it. I'm inspired to donate money. And then what about taking action myself? How does it help me do that?
So first of all, there is an amazing quote I read recently by Dalai Lama, which actually goes, so if you think you're too small to make a difference, try sleeping with a mosquito in the room. Now, it's truly, we can all and we should all take action. And sometimes issues like climate change could be very overwhelming because you think you don't understand fully or you're not able to contribute. I truly believe by shifting your mindset and thinking, look, this is our beautiful earth. It's a bit broken. It's meant to give hope. So we are not saying, okay, yes, we screwed up with it. Having said that, it's not too late. We can still take action, but all of us. So individuals, we can vote with our money. We can do things by changing our lifestyle. So every little action matters.
I love it. Okay, Roksana, so we're here in Glasgow. We're going to be together in Davos. Between now and then, what do you want our audience to do? How can they follow you and your work?
Follow the work through my Instagram, Roksana Ciurysek-Gedir, but also just stop, pause, and think, what can I do? And as I say, really, we all can contribute. Now, I would love to touch people's hearts as well, because to me, it's not just the planet, it's also an atom. Actually, it is very personal, because to change the world, we have to start with ourselves as well. So this is an atom, it's us. Also a bit broken, going through life and going through different experiences. So these are our golden scars. And
I feel like we all have some from from COVID-19. I feel like we have some
Absolutely. And
scar tissue.
we
that
have
might
some
need to
scars, but
repair.
rather we should embrace them,
Right.
rather than hiding them. This is, it makes us who we are. So I truly believe that embracing this imperfection and not even understanding everything, but trying, it actually is quite simple because it's very intuitive. We all are trying to do good and be the best version of ourselves.
Roksana, thank you so much. Delighted to be seeing the work here in Glasgow and cannot wait to see it again in Davos, but hopefully at COP Culture.
Thank you.